Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious arugula salad, and it's a really easy recipe. So we're gonna need triple washed arugula leaves, and I'm gonna put some of the leaves into my plate. We're gonna need a lemon to squeeze. So I grabbed this separate container to make a mixture for our salad, and I'm adding some salt. Salt's supposed to be a pinch, but it depends how much you would like salt. And this is black pepper. I'm gonna need a pinch of black pepper as well. And I'm gonna squeeze the fresh lemon into the container. Lemon juice gives really good taste to arugula. If you guys have ever tasted arugula by itself, it usually tastes a little bit bitter. So lemon juice takes away the bitterness out of the leaves. So, alright. As you can see, we're gonna have to mix a little bit to diffuse salt and pepper and our juice. Now, in the next step, I'm going to add some olive oil into our mixture. Alright guys, our mixture ingredients are ready. All we have to do is mix it very well. This is going to be our first step. Alright, in the next step, I'm going to cut the avocado. By the way guys, I had a hard time cutting avocados before. If you don't know how to do it, I'm just gonna show you how to cut it. You just cut it around at first and twist it. Now you have half avocados. Oh, we need half of the avocado. We're not gonna need all of this. So I'm gonna slice the inside horizontally and vertically, guys, so that we could have some cubes to add into our salad. I'm going to take out the avocado into our plate right now. But I'm not gonna mix the avocado with the leaves because it just doesn't look like nice. I've tried it. If you guys would like to have some cucumber into the salad, you're welcome to use the cucumber as well. But this time I'm not gonna use it. So I'm just gonna pour our mixture into our plate. You know, the oil inside our mixture is going to give really shiny look to our leaves, and our salad is gonna look more and more appetizing rather than just leaves, you know. And let me grab my forks right now. I'm going to mix everything very well. You know, it's recommended to make the salads preferably in the bowl, but it's just a portion for me, so I was like trying to make it in the same spot. Alright, Alright guys, so as you can see from the video, our arugula looks much nicer right now. And we're gonna do the last step. Last step is our cranberry pieces. I'm gonna add these cranberry pieces into our salad plate, and it gives a little bit nicer look, and at the same time it gives really good taste. Our salad is ready and time to go, guys. If you like my recipe, just give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye, bon appetit.